Welcome to another Retro Crazy. This time it's not retro, it is my Samsung Galaxy Tab S. It's done me very well since the day I got it. However, I use this as my monitor normally when I'm recording these videos. As you can see, it's not on at the moment. It does work, it works absolutely fine. But the battery life is down to, well, very little, and that's just from age. So after a little bit of checking online, I picked up a replacement battery. So today we'll be looking at replacing the battery in this tablet, getting it back up and running, and hopefully getting the proper battery life back. So I'll pop this to the side. Never having taken one of these apart before, I have had a little nosy, and it appears that the back kind of wants to pop. It is a plastic back, so I'm going to work on the premise that it comes off from the back. So I'm just going to work my way along, hopefully, and try and get all these clips to pop. It does feel like there are a number of them. So I'm going to guess they're going to be all the way down the side as well. And obviously I don't want to break the screen doing this, because otherwise, well, it's a more costly repair. Not as easy when you're doing this for camera. Especially when I cannot see the monitor to see how it is framed. Hopefully you're picking up all this and it's not going out of focus too much. Okay, I'm going to continue doing this, and where I can I'll video it, where I can't I will just skip. And there we go. Lots and lots of clip points all the way around. However, it is now free and can get put to the side. And here we go, here is the battery. Now we have two connectors and the battery port, and 4 screws to remove. The connectors are covered in tape, so let's carefully lift the tape off and just put the tape to the sides, because that can go back on. So obviously there is a little bit of insulation. So first off, I'm going to see if I can pop the battery out. And there's the battery out, which means this is a little bit safer. There's an extended part here on the flap in the middle, so lift those. That should now allow me just to pull out the connectors, and now it's just a case of unscrewing the 4 retaining screws that are holding the battery in. And hopefully now we can just lift up and remove the original Samsung battery pack. So 1 replacement to go in. And just looking at it, it's not genuine. It is not a genuine Samsung battery. The font is thicker, which is normally a sign that it's been cloned. So courtesy of China. Now that's in place, we'll go back to reassembly. Okay, I'm pausing the reassembly here just to point out something. There is a white line on these connectors, and you'll note that it matches on both sides. There is actually a trace mark on the screen print, and it looks like these line up nicely, and once they're there, you know you're ready to lock them back down. So kudos to Samsung for thinking about that and not just leaving them. So on to reassembly. And here we are back. I haven't fully clipped in the back. I want to make sure that this is fine. And straight away we can see the tablet's powering up. Ignore the mess on the screen. It does have a screen protector on it, which is why it looks like there's scores there and some marks down here. But at this moment in time, it looks like it's working. So, excuse me while I put in my password. And there we go. It's running. It has reset. We've got Tuesday the 1st of January, but that's to be expected. Great, it is all working. I'll put it on charge, ensure that it is charging up fully. that is how easy and simple it is to replace the battery on one of these. So again, nice, simple and straightforward. Hope you enjoyed this. If you do, remember to subscribe, use the like button, and thank you for watching. Until the next time.